In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and block an issue in Jira. Welcome! Whether you're managing a small project or a massive team endeavor, understanding how to effectively link and block issues in Jira is essential for maintaining order and ensuring smooth progress. Let's start by opening the Jira issue that you intend to link. This step is crucial because you'll want to have the appropriate issue visible in front of you to begin the process. Once you're on the Issues page, look for the Add button, which is usually situated under the issue's name. When you click on Add, a menu will appear, and you'll want to select the Linked Issue option from this menu. This action will bring up a Linked Issue section within the issue details, giving you the tools you need to set up your link. Next, you'll have to decide on the type of link you want to create. This part is about specifying the kind of relationship between issues. The drop-down menu offers several choices, such as is blocked by and blocks. If you select is blocked by, you indicate that the current issue is waiting on another issue to be resolved before it can proceed. Conversely, choosing blocks means that your current issue is the one preventing another from being completed. These distinctions are vital for keeping your project timelines accurate and workloads manageable. You'll also find other link types like relates to, duplicates, or clones, among others. Which one you choose can depend on your specific team's workflow and needs. So take a moment to consider what best suits your situation. Once you've decided on the link type, use the search box to find the issue you wish to connect with. You can either type in the issue key or a part of the issue summary. If this doesn't pull up the issue you're looking for, you might cause the issue to show up in the list view instead. When you spot the correct issue, simply select it from the available search results. This selection ensures that you are linking the exact issue required, preventing any potential confusion later on about which issues are connected. Finally, to cement this connection, you'll click the Link button. This step finalizes the relationship between the two issues, making the link official. And there you have it, a seamless connection between issues in Jira, helping you and your team stay organized and efficient. By linking and appropriately blocking issues, you'll be equipped to manage dependencies and roadblocks much more effectively, leading to better project outcomes and happier teams. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.